Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we have the bendable glass screen protector for the Galaxy Flip 3. This is of course from Whitestone, and this is the Dome Silk. It is a bendable glass just like the one on your actual phone. And this is meant to replace the plastic screen protector that comes on your phone. Quite frankly, I never ever really liked this one. It gets fingerprints so easily, and it just doesn't feel as good as a regular glass screen protector would. So Whitestone did come up with this basically using the same technology that Samsung does for the regular screen, and made one that will actually go on top of it. So this way you have glass protection, really good. And it's a little bit different on setting up. Now I'm going to speed through our setup, because Whitestone has a step-by-step one that you should definitely use instead of mine for how to install. But I'm gonna feel it, leave it alone for 5 minutes after, and then use it and see how it feels and how much better it is. Now, a lot of people have questions about the warranty with this. So let me answer that firmly. You do not void your warranty when you take this screen protector off. If you happen to damage the screen while taking the screen protector off, just because you rip it off or aren't careful or anything like that, that would void your warranty because you're damaging it basically yourself. Now, you can go to a Samsung store and they will remove it for you. Again, that does not void your warranty. So you do have that capability. And then you can get a replacement film protector from Whitestone as well. That is the premium film, similar to this one, but a little less fingerprints. Or you can get the glass one, which of course is going to feel the best overall. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have it installed. I do have a little bit of a bubble right here. I'll try to even that out later. I folded it purposely though over 10 times because I know some people online are spreading bad rumors that like, oh, hey, this is breaking if you do it 10 times. Did it more than 10 times, works just fine. I'm gonna turn it on and tell you how it feels. This feels so much better. I cannot tell you guys how much better this feels. Glass is always better than film. This just feels so much superior. It automatically just feels so much better. All right, 10 times better phone automatically as soon as you put this on. And it was really easy. It was actually easier than I would say even their regular dome glasses. Now, if you ever happen to crack this, you do want to be careful taking it off. Obviously, you don't want to damage the glass underneath it. So they actually have a removal pack. So I'm going to keep some of the stuff and the removal pack obviously ready just in case it ever cracks. But again, this phone is one of the most protected because it is closed. And again, I just love this. It keeps fingerprints a lot less. And when you get them, they're a lot easier to wipe off. Again, this is glass versus this little flimsy thing that Samsung put on that gets fingerprints like a magnet and does not feel premium. This is premium and it just feels so much better. A super secret password put in and you can see it. It is functional. I will wipe it off and try it again. Press that little bit and moves buttery smooth with this. This is so much better. It's an immediate upgrade. I cannot recommend this enough. Glass is always better. Thank you, Whitestone, for actually figuring this out, because it is so much better now. And yes, I am happy with it. This will be given to my mom, actually, so it's going to be a nice little gift for her, and she will have a huge upgrade and have a nice flip phone. So yes, your glass is fine. This is bendable glass. You're fine just the way it is. Let me know any questions you may have in the comments section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.